Hi, my name is Andrea Pejrolo. I'm the Assistant Chair of the Contemporary Writing and Production Department at Berklee College of Music. I'm also the author and instructor of music writing and production with the iPad for Berklee Online. In this tutorial, we're going to concentrate on the multi-band compressor in Final Touch Pro in order to add more punch and to bring your mixes to another level. Have fun! The multi-band compressor allows me to select up to 4 bands and have different compressor parameters for each band. You can select the range of the band by simply tapping and dragging the arrows down here. And if I only want to use 3 bands, I can simply bring the range of one of the band all the way to the left or to the right. In general, I recommend having 4 bands. And the goal of this section, it's really to fine-tune specific bands in terms of dynamics. Usually, the 4 areas that I want to work on are the high section, the mid section where the vocals are, the mid-low, which usually are a problematic area, and the very low end of the mix. Now this can change and can vary depending on the music, the style, the instrumentation, the mix, and so on. But I think this is a good start. In this case, as you can see, I worked a little bit on the vocal range right here with a compression of around 2 to 1 and a makeup gain of 1 dB. That allows the vocal to sit in the mix a little bit better and to be present at the same time. I also compressed a little bit this range, which usually is a little bit problematic and allows me to give a tighter low end. Same thing for the bass frequencies, but this time I added a little bit of a gain in order to support better the mix with the very low end. Let's hear the difference. This is the track without multi-band compression.
You turn the key, but it won't start. When you think that all is lost, stand tall. And if you don't back down.
Now I'm gonna turn the bypass off and I'm gonna hear it with the compression.
Think that all is lost, stand tall. And if you don't back down.
As you can hear, the difference is pretty subtle, but that's the whole point of the multi-band compressor. You don't want to make any drastic changes, but just small interventions to make each area of the mix be more present and balanced.